He who has not come into contact with that man, Mr. Bawumia can even convince President Mahama to vote for him.
Oh, yes.
When you meet the man, and you'll be like the country.
Yes.
When you meet Bawumia, and you'll be like the country, he's got a charisma. I have met him, and I fell in love with him, point blank and simple.
Good.
I was a Ken fan.
Yeah.
Okay. Ken, at that time, Bawumia and Trinity. But I addressed him as Mr. President. And Gabriel Chiraku says, that lady is prophesying to you, Mr. Vice President. I told him I'll call you my president because I don't know. President Akufo-Addo is not here, so once you're here, I'll call you that and address you as such. And I'm praying to God. Say, me, I've been with Muslims, and they are genuine people.
Yes.
Genuine people. You will fake ones or all. But a person like Bawumia, regardless of his religious background, he's a genuine guy.
Yes.
He's down to earth.
Yeah.
All those guys who are around him, Augustine, Dr. Boafo, and all of them, listen, they are down to earth.
Yes.
And they are winning the people for Bawumia.
Yes.
Obia would not hesitate to vote for the guy because the guy has got what it takes to be the president of Ghana.
That's it.
Let's put all jokes aside. And at the point there, his rumble style, listen, he knew he was losing. No news or losing, and you lose again in November. Inshallah, you will lose flat. And then and on the initial team of the party, MPP as we know, and on the decide, say it's me casually members to vote for Obia and MPP. And come parliament and come to my Michael Quay.
Yeah. Thank you.
And they would have voted for Michael Quay.
So
nobody can cajole people in the MPP or force them to vote for Bawumia.
Thank you.
It is what they have seen. They have seen the light. And Bawumia is coming to power come 2024.
Yes. That's why are there? So you are going to lose your position. Na kwasie bi ono so hu se wo lose dada ne candidate ano monyom wo mu ni track record wo mu ni message wo mu ni bibi papa bi omo beka no no ma gye san kwase asem we yedi no mu di akire no mo de say omo ankasa government why na auto na ba wie ya ye ma ne de be kire ye aba no isi na ewo mo ho isi na kan ye ana ye wie ye no ye sign swear ni na de ko Jubilee House and if I pen the paper, and an another now share the space, and all share okay, MP way to my way, will be lose seat. MP way to my way, will be lose seat. Wo to my Bawumia, you keep your seat. Also to Bawumia, you keep your seat. Wo ye share paper no so no. Ye catch no cement to ma Alan, wako to ama Alan, will be lose seat. Ejuma na another year no. Krasifo enyansa ni yetrim na boa way will make sense to them. Mutie, one year nyansa any trimuno and a quaway, it be making sense to them. That two ashe them so to Abama Alan. Namen Palan, I may say because I catch them some go to Abama Alan inti. Namo, MPs na kwa siya we ba, mutitis kamano no samia uku. Mona abua we ba mwa, mutitis kamani die utumedoko to tonta de she continent na TV so they can kwasi asem. Mo party na no na mudidi no. Mo candidate na wono na mo pesa mo de ne ba no. Ono na woko ede against no ntimo nkoso na oba no obedi nkonkonsa montitis kamano na woni ye adwuma wo grassroots woni ye radio station woni ye social media day in day out elbo Bawumia hu dawuro elbo aban hu dawuro elbo Nana Akufo-Addo hu dawuro no mo yi omumu na mo kofa mo bi ungrateful animals say na mo muska mo feel powerful in Ghana because they have some of you walking around by their side. How the assemble can ye who are also ye nyansani sense be ne wo say o ma chi obi akwete na Peter Amewu sebe ende ya to aba be 3-4 days ni obi anim say Peter Amewu wan to aba ma Bawumia ya pam no ya pam Peter Amewu ye so be MP no ende obi abeka kire ne say on free parliament ya na. This is what they do. Just to lie.
But they almost destroy Bawumia. You need everybody to be part of your campaign if you want to be president of Ghana.
You need everybody to be part of your campaign. But your candidate is telling people that the other people are tough for papa. His party is not good. Then to do Obia temu we are or bad then on also a campaign at the Obia but together. How is Ken gonna do that? Dia onamu a omo ye Obama sold down near the idea when you may adum na 4th November we near or bad then one Obia but since he will need everybody to be president. And now Ken there, he doesn't need everybody to be president. He can make himself president. But Bawumia there, he will need everybody to make him a president. We are boa ate. Come here, sorry. We are Jimmy for pan. I would the one day, me no be share na the business. We are boa peace with the Ghana for adwini di agro. We are kwasi peace with the Ghana for adwini e di agro. Bawumia or started so in the campaign. Mate say we ko gina baby ama na no etie any candidate da. But we have seen your candidate countless time on air, on radio, on TV, insulting the intelligence of Bawumia. Insulting the intelligence of Bawumia. What are you talking about? Are you crazy? Inti Kennedy, the only way to me, I'm a president and vice president showdown. Obama party executives will showdown. He has the power to do that. But Bawumia there, he doesn't have the power until he can't get everybody together. Mark it on the wall until Honorable Kennedy Akompre where Japan works on his temperament. Until Kennedy starts showing signs of presidency. Forget it. No amount of money, no amount of talk, no amount of takashi is going to give him the presidency. You want MPP to go to opposition. But the candidate you are supporting is MPP. Who will choose candidate? Will be a open party ni guno. Who now be choose candidate? He be to me the party na across Jordan. Now, boy be ajedi. Phobia member, how does this even make sense? Will be or no person party no co-position. This or no candidate to be. It's like Maribu. We are working so hard to bring Mahama back, but the candidate here can be Japan. We are working. That is why some of us, we want to bring Mahama back. But now no di MPP for them, no di party for them, no di nanadu atem, no di Bawumia atem. Ubi sans one in the candidate here. Kennedy Japan adentia. Na mo nkwasi asem amachoro to was Obama the big gains in the Munya fan gains in my boy. Now bua bi sa anta nante Ghana no wonjimi. Charlie. It's not worth the time. Said they are making kakano. And a power mebuafu at the same time meraho. Mebuafu meraho at the same time. And that is because NPP we don't learn. NPP for you in Utie. The party called MPP, we do not learn. Yes, we might have all the intellectuals and all of that, but intellectuals need to be one more minute. Utie, one more minute. Be why are we doing this to ourselves? Seriously, why are we doing this to ourselves? Adia see a dunketia koye bi ewo kumewuno. Ebi ena Kennedy Japan has started a oye. Now, and then Miss Me throw challenge. Utie the Americano. Miss Me throw challenge to Honorable Kennedy Japan. Yeah? I'm throwing a challenge to the Honorable Member of Parliament for Asen Central, Asen Wanwai, Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan. Please, and please again. Today you have showed us that you are powerful than the president in Ghana.